welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. If you're just tuning in, it's Thrasher's Garage. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're just gonna prep for tear down of the cab and the box. Both of those are coming off real soon. Alright guys, as you can see, we're doing a lot of tear down, getting all the electrical wire out of the way, trying to disconnect everything. So real quick, got the air filter housing almost out, got the battery out, unhooked the bumper, as you guys can see. I also disconnected all the wiring that ran it up in through here, all the way up here to right there. Pulled it out right here. It goes through here and right here, as you can see. I'm still working on getting this unconnected, all of these wires disconnected, getting the control module for the cruise disconnected, getting the wires off the firewall on both sides. I'm going to be draining the coolant last, just to make it the easiest possible for when pulling it out. I want to focus more on the cables, the shaft, things of that matter. Also guys, when you guys get closer, always want to pay attention to where everything came off, where everything goes, nuts, bolts. Don't want to get those mixed up, guys. Very important that everything goes back the original way it came from the factory. When you're doing this, you want to look underneath to make sure nothing needs to be removed prior to removing the cab. Once you get all that done, guys, you want to run through the list again, just to make sure. Did I get the wires disconnected? Did I get any sort of cables, wires, anything that you've added on to the vehicle before you remove it? As I know, sometimes guys, they run sub wires, speakers, accessories as far as like light bars, running lights, fog lights, things extra other than what the vehicle came with. Don't be afraid to comment down below as far as what's going on, if you're confused about anything, advice, things of that matter, guys. Just trying to give you the best content possible. But there's more to come, guys. The bed coming off, the cab coming off, the doors.